Well, it is our weather impact alert day that is in full swing tonight into early Wednesday. In fact, continuing right through Wednesday. And here's the line of solid storms that we're tracking. And I do want you to be weather aware and alert to this tonight. Multiple ways to have weather warnings, including right there at your fingertips. You pull out that phone. I know you take a moment and scan that QR code. And we're going to get you linked up to that free WTOL 11 weather app. We've been streaming on WTOL 11 Plus tonight and on our YouTube page. Something we do to keep you informed of this incoming storm threat. It is an enhanced risk of storms across lower Michigan into northwest Ohio. And one thing I want to point out, first thing we're going to see is the vivid lightning that's going to be arriving. Over 1,400 lightning strikes right now across lower Michigan, including several severe thunderstorm warnings and a few isolated tornado warnings. Officially, it is a tornado watch in effect until 4 a.m. That includes all of central and lower Michigan, down through Hillsdale, Lenawee, and Monroe County, northern tier of counties in Indiana, and potentially this could be extended into the rest of northwest Ohio. The latest data just in the past 1 hour, Storm Prediction Center has been monitoring this area from Grand Rapids, Lansing down toward Jackson, indicating an increased tornado risk that is developing. So I'm keeping a close eye on that. And I expect this is, again, well after midnight that this rolls into the area, and perhaps it could even be closer to 1 or 2 a.m. for some areas. So I promise you, I'm not going to sleep a wink tonight until we get through the severe weather threat. We'll be right here for you. Just an example of what's going on. This is a tornado warning north of Lansing, Michigan, so not in our local area, but I'm giving you an idea of what is just to our north. There are active tornado warnings and an incredible amount of lightning, and a lot of these, of course, overnight. You can't see the tornadic activity and a lot of vivid lightning that is out there. Doppler radar here in our area. We're dry right now, and again, still another 60 to 90 minutes before any storm activity arrives up across southern Michigan, and you sort of feel it in the air. Temperatures right now upper 60s to near 70 degrees. It's overnight after midnight through 4 a.m. our greatest severe weather threat, gusty winds, large hail, but also the indication some of these storms may be rotating with the isolated tornado risk set to continue. Now the hour by hour forecast, I'm putting this in motion. I'm going to stop it hour by hour as we go after midnight. Storms just knocking on the door across southern Michigan. And again, it could be 2 a.m. or later before they actually make their way into northwest Ohio. Question is, will they still be strong and severe? We're going to keep an eye on that and how quickly they do weaken, but they may bring gusty winds and some rotating storms into the area overnight. And again, having multiple ways to have alerts and warnings will be ideal. More storms out there Wednesday, continuing even into the afternoon, could even carry the risk of some strong to severe storms on Wednesday. Heavy rain also going to be a threat with any of those storms that do develop through the day on Wednesday. So keep that in mind. Rain totals and the possibility of flooding and flash flooding may arise. Here's those rainfall totals. Over an inch of rain just in the next 24 to 48 hours. It's going to be a soaker where we do get the heaviest of the rain, and potentially southern Michigan could even see higher totals. Weather impact alert day. Let's push that right through Wednesday with the risk of strong to severe storms, not only overnight tonight, but again tomorrow afternoon. More storm threats Thursday. I'll keep an eye on that. We finally take a breath. Friday, we're going to quiet down. A calm, dry day Friday. Then we surge right back toward the upper 70s to near 80 on Saturday. That is a powerful cold front Saturday. We've issued a weather impact alert day for that because temperatures will plunge 30 degrees, and we may be looking at strong to severe storms Saturday afternoon and evening, and a colder outlook early next week, Monday into Tuesday, with highs only in the 50s and 60s.